Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. Now, I know that there are a lot of different banks out there, so I'm sure you're wondering why I'm choosing to focus on this one. Well, there are a few reasons. First, Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, and I'm always interested in learning about new financial institutions. Second, Bask Bank offers a number of unique features that I think are worth exploring. So, in this video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at Bask Bank. I'll be discussing its history, its products and services, and its customer reviews. I'll also be comparing Bask Bank to some of its competitors. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea of whether or not Bask Bank is a good bank for you. History of Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, having been founded in 2021. The bank is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Bask Bank is a subsidiary of Bask Incorporated, a fintech company that also offers a number of other financial services, such as credit cards and personal loans. Bask Bank's products and services. Bask Bank offers a variety of banking products and services, including high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, personal loans, credit cards. Bask Bank's high-yield savings accounts are particularly noteworthy. The bank offers one of the highest interest rates in the country. Bask Bank also offers a number of unique features, such as no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, free overdraft protection, early withdrawal penalty waiver. Bask Bank's customer reviews. Bask Bank has received generally positive reviews from customers. Customers have praised the bank for its high interest rates, its customer service, and its user-friendly mobile app. However, some customers have complained about the bank's limited number of branches. Bask Bank versus competitors. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, so it's important to compare it to some of its more established competitors. Here are a few of the key differences between Bask Bank and some of its competitors. Interest rates. Bask Bank offers some of the highest interest rates in the country. Fees. Bask Bank does not charge any monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Customer service. Bask Bank has received generally positive reviews for its customer service. Branch network. Bask Bank has a limited number of branches. So, is Bask Bank a good bank? Overall, I think that Bask Bank is a good option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account or a low-fee checking account. The bank also offers a number of unique features that may be appealing to some customers. However, it's important to note that Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, so it may not be the best choice for everyone. If you're looking for a bank with a more established reputation, you may want to consider one of its competitors. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Bask Bank. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out some of their customer reviews. I also encourage you to compare Bask Bank to some of its competitors to see if it's the right bank for you. Thanks for watching.